Hello everyone, welcome you all on behalf of KK Wagh Secondary School and Junior College Saraswati Nagar Nasik. Myself Priyanka Hire. Today we'll learn about topic tertiary economic activities standard 12 science. So first of all, introduction of the tertiary economic activities. The term tertiary economic activity typically refers to the sector. The primary economic activity is the production and sale of raw goods. The secondary economic activity refers to the purchase and sale of finished goods, consumer durable or non-durable. Classification of tertiary sector that included by 5 factors, it was the most important. So first trade, then second transport, third communication, fourth services, and last one tourism. So first of all, given to the information of transportation. The tertiary industry provides services as well as operational frameworks for business operations. Then, transportation is a service or facility through which passengers, freight and industrial products are carried from one place to another. Transportation plays a very important role in development of any country, and then development of all economic activities is dependent on transportation system. Second one, trade. Trade means is the voluntary exchange of goods and services where two or more parties are involved. There was only an exchange of goods. Today, the barter system was an initial form of trade practiced by the primitive societies, and there was only an exchange of goods. So, there we are various geographical factors which affect the trade are as follows. First, difference in natural resources, then second climate, third population factors, fourth culture and economic cost, and last one specialization. Importance of transport in trade. So transportation is a very important tertiary activity for trading. The importance of ports, sea transport and air transport has been very obvious in this trade. Tourism. Tourism is an important tertiary economic activity. The tourism sector has grown tremendously in the last few decades. The following geographical factors it was the play an important role in the tourism in a region, and then biodiversity, accessibility, altitude, availability of water are important physical factors, and then he was a sector has grown tremendously in the last few decades. Then we are the government policies and political condition in a country are important human factors affecting the development of the tourism. And last, communication. Man uses different means of communication to express what he wants to say and makes it reach other humans. For example, depiction through pictures, symbol, verbal communication using signs, body language, postures, etc. And all these means of communication are used for regional development on a large scale. The extent and scope of is this tertiary activity, and these means of communication is increasing day by day. For example, daily atmospheric conditions, cyclone, movements of the earth, looking for mineral reserves, obtaining the latitudes and longitude of a place. Thank you.